So hi guys, this is Linda, and today is, it's Wednesday today. Yeah, I've been out making groceries. I know. Yeah, you all grocery shop. I make groceries. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. I need to go turn my radio down. Yeah, so somehow today when I came home, I don't know. I just wanted to hear a little Michael Franks. I don't know. But it sure sounds good. But anyway, I was tagged by Garden with Lisa. Yeah, she tagged me in this 5-question tag. Yeah. So let's get on with this tag. So the first question is, why do you garden? Yeah, some people have asked me that before. Why do I garden? It's such hard work and, yeah. And then you depend on the weather but I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah. That's why. Why do you YouTube? Well, when I first came and I started to look at what other people were doing, and so I decided, hey, I'll show them what I'm doing. It ain't much, but this is what it is. So that's why I enjoy it. Okay, number 3 is, how long have you been gardening? I have been gardening, I really want to say all my life. When I was growing up in my community, everyone had gardens, and everyone had 4-season gardens. So it's not, like just in spring people had gardens. All 4 seasons there were something growing in the gardens. And I remember, I was just recently talking to my aunt, and we were talking about how we used to get paid 25 cents to water all of these gardens. And we had some that had hoses, but then most of them we used to carry the water out. But I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Just a quick little story. My mother and I, during the spring and summer, one of our neighbors, he grew the best tomatoes, the biggest tomatoes, and yes, they were Creole tomatoes. Yeah. And seemed like every morning, just before the sunrise, I would get up. So I'm talking about, I was like 8, 9. Yeah. I would get up and go and jump the fence. And just take 2 tomatoes, one for me and one for my mom. Yeah. And we used to sit on the porch with salt and pepper and eat those tomatoes like apples. And they were the best. Just being there with your mother and eating this tomato and watching the sunrise. That's priceless. But it was just a beautiful thing. So I've been gardening all my life. And when I was really in my careers, and I always had something growing, not as much as I have now, but I always had something growing in the yards, flowers or onions, something growing. But then when I decided to just kind of lay back a little bit because my grandkids were getting bigger and I think that they need me more. So I decided, yeah, let's get this garden really pumping. Yeah. So that's what I did. All right. So the next question is, what do I grow? Well, I like to grow vegetables that I want to eat because I don't like wasting food. That is a sad thing for me to do. So I try to grow foods that I love to eat and I'm going to use, or I'm going to share, or if someone asks me to grow something for them, yeah. But really, and I ain't bragging, I can grow anything I want to grow. Maybe not garlic. But we gonna see. Yeah, but I think I can grow anything I really want to grow. Yeah. All right. And it says, number 5, it says, what is your favorite thing to grow? My favorite thing to grow, and that is very hard because I love all of them. But if I really had to choose, I would say a tomato because I love them so much. They are my favorite vegetable in the world, and that is a tomato. Yes. I could just eat that anytime. Now it says to choose 5 people to do this tag. All right, it says to choose 5 people. So I don't have the names of the people I want to choose right now, but I'm going to say this. I'm going to put the names in the description box. And if you do not want to do this tag, I will not be upset with you. Okay? Will not. So when you just look in this description box, and if your name is in there, and if you really don't want to do the tag, it's cool. And if you do want to do the tag, yeah, go on, do the tag. Let's see what's going on with you. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a great day. As you can see, I've been grocery shopping, making my groceries. But yeah, so I'm gonna put these groceries into some freezer bags and put them in my freezer. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great Wednesday. Later, y'all.